Are you having trouble downloading CapCut from Play Store? Whether it won't install, you see app not available, it's stuck on pending, or it reaches 100% only to go back to downloading again? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to fix this issue on your Samsung Galaxy or any other Android smartphone. Since internet plays the biggest part in here, first make sure you're using a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular, whatever you're using. You can turn on airplane mode, wait for a while to turn it off again, refresh the network. At the same time, make sure you're not using Wi-Fi and cellular at the same time. Also, wrong date and time can mess up with your internet connection. So from settings, make sure to set the date and time to automatic. If it's showing on Play Store that the app is not available, you can try turning on VPN on your device. If you're already using one, turn it off and then try again. If your problem is the download just goes back over and over again, open Google Play Store, tap on your profile, to Settings, to App Download Preference, make sure to select over any network. And at the same time, as CapCut is a visually heavy editing app, it needs quite a bit of storage on your phone, so make sure you have enough storage. Even if everything is okay, but the download is stuck on pending, huge amount of stored cache can slow down Play Store's function. So just press and hold on your Play Store icon, from Information to Storage, clear cache and clear data. Don't worry, it will not delete anything from a device. At the same time, whatever Android device you're using, from the settings, search for Google Play Service and clear cache and data for that as well. And after clearing up the cache and cookies, just give your smartphone a restart. After the restart, your problem should be solved. Just in case you're still having the same issue, and if you have multiple Gmail accounts, open up your Play Store, tap on your profile, to account, and from here, use another Gmail account to download CapCut on your device. Hopefully, now you can download CapCut without any problem. Thanks for watching.